Okay then. Hi ma'am, how
Oh,
are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Tell me about yourself. How are you?
Yeah, I'm going great. But not very well because nowadays I'm not, uploading videos my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm also great. Thank you for asking.
So I can resonate with your problem just because, as you are mentioning, you are not feeling so much good nowadays just because you are not
Yeah.
able to upload video. And I also know very well the reason behind it. Just because you are not getting your video.
Yeah, actually nowadays I'm not uploading any kind of video and I stop, communicating with people in Skype application because of
Okay.
that issue. Yeah, because of that issue, because I get frustrated. So that's why I left communicating with people in Skype application. I only communicate with people only, peer up app in audio call.
Okay. But don't feel like this. I am also sometimes not getting, but sometimes I am getting. So no problem. You
Yeah.
have to just take
Yeah.
session.
Actually, I have take a little bit break, and then after that my mind is fresh right now. So I again try to communicate with people, and I'm planning to upload session over YouTube. Yeah, let's
Yes,
see
but
if I find it or not.
yes, if you are on this journey, so you are not supposed to let yourself down, to get yourself down. So just feel motivated always. So just I would like to know something about yourself. So
Yeah,
just
of course.
introduce yourself in a nutshell so that my
Yeah,
viewers can also get to know something about you and
yeah,
your journey.
yeah. Okay, so let me introduce myself. So my name is Rahim Khan. Basically, I'm from West Bengal, but currently I'm living in Rajasthan because of my working purpose. Because I'm working in the hotel industry as a chef. So right now I'm here in Rajasthan, Bikaner. If I talk about my hobbies, I love playing cricket, traveling, and also nowadays I'm very curious to learn this language. And I love watching conversational videos, podcasts, and also English speaking videos. And apart from this, I also run a YouTube channel, which is I created recently. Yeah, that's all about me.
Wow, that's a great introduction of yours.
I believe that if I, become a fluent speaker one day, if I do hard work, then we don't need to, message anyone. Someone will search you, and someone will text you. If you become,
Yeah,
if you learn,
so same here.
like yeah. So at first we should do our hard work. Yeah, that's my plan.
Yes, so this is your perception,
Yeah,
perspective of. So this is
yeah,
great. I must salute it. And earlier I was also just searching lots of person to have session with the good YouTuber. If not good YouTuber, I can say good English speaker. I because
yes,
when I started my journey, so most of the people, my well wisher, my viewer, they are just suggesting me like you have to now session with the advanced speaker so that you can learn many more things, good things from them. But that's why I was just messaging them and I was just searching them. But when I thought, okay, if I want to improve myself, so I have to improve myself by myself. I can't
yes,
rely on others. Like, okay, that particular ma'am, that particular sir will only just get me improved. No, if I want to improve, so I can just improve myself. And if I don't want, so no one is here who can improve
yes,
me and
yes,
my English. So like this, by this thinking also I just stopped messaging. And I thought, okay, just let's learn. If they I just already I have message, so if in future they will get time, they will message me. So I would love to get
yeah,
connect
of
with them.
course, of
And
course.
if they won't message me, they don't get time. So I am just happy with myself, with my journey. And also, there's a lots of people who are just using lots of application. They are just wasting or investing their money in learning English communication,
Yeah,
for learning, I can. But
yes,
so I am learning whatever I'm just speaking or learning by myself, because I haven't taken any coaching classes, any application. Means whatever I'm just using Skype, or before Skype, in my initial day
Yeah.
I have used so for a few time, but it's all in free. I
Yeah,
have
I
uh,
also haven't taken any, courses, or like I haven't spent money for learning
yes,
purpose. I only, learning through, like free of cost, which
yes,
are
yes.
which applications I'm using only for free of cost. So we have that kind of resources where we can learn without spending money. So why we can spend our money?
Yes, you are right. So
We don't
one
need to
thing,
spend our
as
money.
just we are having this session, so I want to just make it interesting. So I am going to share a beautiful quote, thought means, and you
Yeah,
just explain that. Okay. I thought
yeah,
this is a great idea because this is my most favorite thought, and I have also just delivered it in my school. And this is like, uh, always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best
yes,
is yet to come. So sometimes we are just supposed to deliver any speech. So I myself am getting bored to deliver any speech, and I'm thinking that if I deliver any long speech and like about something, so student will also get bored. So let's deliver something like this so that student can get enjoy, and also just they can learn something. So mostly I'm doing this. I'm just picking up any this type of thought, and then I just explain it. So I want you to explain my thought, like not my thought, like this quote is written by whom I don't know. But this is, you always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come.
okay,
I will just give you some hint.
yeah,
Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. So, as we are learning English, and we are trying to improve our English, enhance our English, polish our English, so we can relate this situation, mm, uh, like on our English. So, like this, uh, always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. Just
not
suppose
my final destination.
if
Yes,
we have started our journey, and we in initial day we are not good enough to communicate
yeah,
with any people and to deliver our thought or ideas in front of anyone. So just now think, always remember that this is not a final destination. Means this situation, if we are not good
yeah,
enough,
yeah,
so this situation is not the final destination. ये
yes, of
आखिरी
course.
मंजिल नहीं है. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best is about to come in our life. Means if we do hard work, so definitely the best
Yeah, of course.
thing, the best thing in the sense we are just going to get fluency. So
Yes,
fluency will
yes,
definitely come like this. So sometimes just people are getting like frustration or distraction or demotivation if they are not getting good result or response in anything. So on that situation we can also use that, just we can also relate this present situation, uh, like to setback, and hurdles and problems, difficulties in our life. Sometimes whenever we are facing any problem or difficulties, so we are just thinking a lot, we are crying a lot, we are just overwhelming a lot. So in that situation we should try to think about this thought, that always
yeah, of
remember
course.
this present situation is not final destination. The best is yet to come. uh, best is yet to come.
Yeah,
And also we can say about the bad situation, that this too shall pass.
of
So do
course.
you have any
So
idea about this? This too shall pass.
right now, I don't have any idea, but
Okay.
I can say
So
that. But I can say that, like, for example, I like nowadays. I already mentioned that I get frustrated, and then I left, uploading videos, and somehow I, get some demotivation from this thing. So, but still, I have, set my mind one goal. Like I haven't, stopped learning. I still,
Yes.
I haven't stopped learning because each and every day I try to do my best. Whatever I want to do, I do, and also I stop only uploading videos, and also sometimes I feel that because of uploading videos, it takes a lot of time, lot of energy, and because of those things, somehow my learning purpose is would be less amount of time. I'm getting less time for my
Yes.
learning. Yeah, so that's why I told myself, I thinking that if I learn if I doing this thing, then I will learn less than which I earlier I was learning. So that's why I stopped, and nowadays I am only focusing on learning purpose, and through learning, after that if I become fluent, then I will again start my YouTube channel, like uploading videos.
Yes. So just you proved this thought, as I mentioned, just because
Yes.
you didn't throw in the towel means you didn't give up.
Yeah.
You didn't give up. You just had this mindset like, yes, you can do better than this. And
Yeah.
as you are talking about this YouTube process, so yes, it's a time taking process, and also it's a energy taking process.
Yes.
Sometime by editing our video we are feeling eyes irritation, or
Yes.
feeling like, yes, not to have any session like this. So
Yeah.
if I talk about myself, so my husband is helping. That's why I'm not having this type of feeling. I'm not uploading video and all, but I'm only just editing. But if you are
Yeah.
doing all the things by yourself, so definitely this must
Yeah.
be
Actually,
daunting for you.
I am doing all the things by myself.
Were you
Actually,
getting
I got a
calls
call.
from someone?
Yeah. Actually, I got a call. That's why. Yeah.
So okay,
Okay.
if you want to talk, so you can just, because I think we have talked enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Then we will talk any other time.